What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we have a new Nvidia Shield update. This is Shield upgrade 9.2.2, and we know that it's been a while since we've seen Nvidia Shield push anything, so very excited to kind of see what involves. And of course, in this video, I'm going to run you through the update and check after the update just to make sure we don't have any issues. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so just to let you guys know, I am doing this update on my 2017 Nvidia Shield TV. However, I do have the same update on my 2019 Shield, so that's the round one. I do have that, and I saw that popped up yesterday as well. So of course, I'm going to walk you through the upgrade, but we're also going to jump into what the new features are, what the new additions are. So most people, they are going to see the pop-up up top in the notifications area. So you can see I have two notifications. You will see an update there. So of course, all you got to do is click on it, and then you should see that the new Shield experience is available. However, I'm going to show you how to get to it just in case you don't see that notification. So to get to the actual update, you're going to go to your settings. All right, and for me, I did add the shortcut right there, but I'll show you guys how to add that as well, just in case you don't have that. So a couple ways to do it. So go to your settings. You're going to go to device preferences. You're going to go to about, and you should see Shield upgrade right there. Click on it. It should bring you to the upgrade as well, where you're able to check. If you guys want to add this shortcut right here, pretty straightforward as well. Still go to device preferences. This time you're going to go down to system. And then you should see an option to customize quick settings. And basically, you just go ahead and turn it on and off. Here's the toggle for the Shield upgrade. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it. And we're going to go to system upgrade. And we're going to check. You can see I don't have auto upgrade on. I want it to essentially be my choice when I push upgrade. So if you have auto, it automatically download an upgrade in the background, which I normally don't recommend. All right, so Shield Experience Upgrade 9.2.2. So what is new? And like I said in the beginning of the video, the reason I do these is because sometimes when updates are pushed, they tend to break things. And what I try to attempt to do is just try to push the upgrade, see what's new, see if anything's broken, and that way you guys will know whether it's safe to upgrade or not. All right, so what's new? All right, so seems like we don't have a lot here. So what's new in 9.2.2? So enhancements, Shield TV is now more accessible to people with disabilities with design improvements and compatibility with assistive technology. So some of the technologies are going to include a pairing alert sound to assist users when pairing the Shield remote to controller in both OOBE and settings. They added bounce keys feature, accessibility keypad repeat feature implementation, added user UI for accessibility timeout, and support talkback TTS in 23 European languages. So looks like a bunch of accessibility additions. And last thing is resolve bugs. So audio dropout with Disney Plus. If that's a known issue, just know that this upgrade got you covered. So not too much. I don't see any security patches. I don't see any new features. But let's go ahead and we'll push the update and we'll come back and just see how everything goes. I'm gonna go ahead and download. All right, so this one looks like it's about a gig worth of files. So I guess normal, a little bit on the larger side for other devices, but the Nvidia Shield normal is about this size. Alright, so there's the confirmation, upgraded to 9.2. Kind of give another overview of what was updated. So let's go ahead and we'll, normally after upgrade, I recommend just giving it 5 minutes, go get a cup of coffee or whatever, let it sit for a little bit, because in the background there's still things happening. So it's going to be glitchy, it's going to be slow. Process is going to be running in the background. So just give it a little bit of time, let it finalize the upgrade. All right, so the upgrade has been completed. We still have a notification. Let's just touch on that a little bit. And this is concerning the Discover tab. So let's see, which is this guy right here. So it look like it's gonna do some recommendations, blah, 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 but there's a note saying that that's going away. You can see it right here. Your recommendation watch list will move to the home tab. So just keep in mind that that's gonna go away, and look like they're gonna just do away with that Discover tab. Let me just get rid of this. Look like my Shield is completely up to date. And we'll just double check to make sure we're still good. All right. You can see we're all the way upgraded. And for me, from here, what I'll do is I'll continue working on this. I'll continue playing with the new upgrade, kind of see if I run into any issues. As I said, there's still things that's happening in the background. I'm going to let that complete. But if I run into any issues, I'll drop it in the comments. If you guys are performing this upgrade and you hit a roadblock or you see anything that's worth noting, drop it in the comments as well. But as for now, it seems like everything is working properly. If you're new to the channel, of course, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.